What's up, YouTube? You know it's your boy Rob Carlos #1, and today's video I'm gonna start cleaning my car. And for that I got this new vacuum. See, here you go. This is the Cord car vacuum cleaner. It's made by This Works for cars, and I'm just trying to clean this car. Let's check it out. Open this box and basically do a review about it, so if it's a good buy or not. So today I'm just gonna review this vacuum and we'll see how it cleans my car. Let's check it out. We opened this up, so let's see what's inside this box. Let's see what's inside this, all the accessories it has in the vacuum. So we got this tube thing for like maybe stuff on the ground. Just pull all this down. All right, so what's inside, you would say? So let's check out what's inside. So it says here what's inside. We got this, the storage bag. We got obviously the vacuum. I believe this vacuum already comes with the filter. I know I showed like the filter down here and all these accessories. So let's just check it out. I mean, you've seen this. Trying to clean this car, you feel? All right, let's check it out. All right. Starting off first, we got this plug-in. It's a 12 volts. So you just put it right in. There it goes. I got my car turned on all the way, but with the lights popping off. I like I said, the filter's already in. We got a filter right here. We got the bag, I think it probably uses for the little spaces. So, moment of truth. Let's turn this on. So I believe this is the switch, so let's go. So as you guys can hear, this thing works. So let's see how it works in in action. Cool thing about this vacuum here of This Works is that sheesh, this thing is 16 feet, or at least that's what it says. Look at that. I can literally walk all over my car from here to the back. Come on, the trunk. We got back here. We know it's a little dusty, some trash. Let's get this thing cleaned. Look at all that. All those leaves. Everything good so far, but let's try to add these attachments that it came with in the box. So let's put it on. Well, we got this in, so let's test it out. Let's put this in. Guys, this attachment, sheesh, this thing made all this clean. Look at that. Clean. Let me put this nut back in. Clean. So let's go on the other side. Try to keep this thing clean. That's the #1 rule. Over here, that's the front. That's the cord right there. Look at that. 13 feet or 16 feet, that's what it said. So I'm gonna be heading to the trunk back here too. So this attachment, pretty nice, pretty darn good, honestly. Let's keep going. You know, that Honda. We're done in the back. It's all clean as a result. So what's next is that we're gonna be using the next attachment, which is this long thingy. I don't even know what it's called, but I believe you just pull this off. Yeah, it's pulled off already. Let's set this in the floor. Add this thing. Let me see. First time, so yeah, it's all good. It's all good. All right. Now let's turn this on so it gets like that nice trash right there. Got some rubber band. Got a nice little penny down there. Let's get that out. And let's turn it on. Does this really? And as a result, this works pretty good. Not as much power as I thought, but these little spaces right here with the little trash gets the job done. So now we're gonna move on to the right side, the passenger side. We're on the passenger side, and you know the drill. You gotta keep this thing clean. All right, add this attachment like we said, and it's on. So let's get to work. picked it up. Last but not least, the driver's side. Let's see how it goes. You see it's all dirty, and by the end of this video you're gonna see everything how it went, all the parts, drivers, passenger in the back, and just clean this up. So we're in the final stages, and we got this trash. Look at that. Sheesh, that's a lot of trash. All right, we're looking at the results. You know, it's clean in the front. The back, you know, it's clean. Looking good so far. And then the passenger. The seat, the floor, pretty clean to me. And yeah, so let's take a seat real quick. So now that I finished, I threw away the trash. It was a bunch of trash. Let me show you how you open this. You just press this button, and basically you just pull this. So you take that, the filter, and the trash will be right there. And you know, basically you dump it, and basically my review about this is that this is my first time buying a vacuum for a car. I don't usually do that. I would say it's a decent one. It's one of those base models. I would say one of those good base models, because I've seen some just base models, $20 that don't really work. And one of the benefits here is that this is however long this is, 16 feet. I mean, you can go from the driver's side to like the trunk, so, and you can go all around 360, you know, around the car. Basically that's one of the benefits that I saw in this. I recently got this during Black Friday. This was originally like $45, and you know, Black Friday how it is. I got this for like around 35. Let me just put this back on. And so I would say I don't really dirty my car as much, but if you really need one, I'll probably go for like higher end models. If you don't really care, you go with this one. We know the benefit of this is a little kits that it comes with. This little thing right here. This really basically the lifesaver of this video. It's already been used, you could tell. This thing right here, attachment, really works. Helps out a lot, because you know it's not really strong, but I would say get this if you just want a good basic one, you know, 16 or 13 feet. I think you guys would like this if you don't really want nothing too fancy. Obviously, if you want to be spending like a good 100, maybe, yeah, a couple $100, and obviously you get your money's worth, or you know, you get what you pay for. For $30, $35 that I got this for, I would say it's a good buy. I would get this. So in conclusion about this video is that this thing works. The company is called This Works, so it works. It's not saying it's the best. You get what you pay for, and yeah, overall I'm gonna say it's good. Out of 10, I'll probably give it like a good 6 out of 10. I would like it to be more stronger, the air section, so you could get, you know, more trash or whatever's on the floor of the car. And that's basically what it is. It's good. I would recommend it for some people, especially because I don't know how usually vacuums work, but this is a 13 or 16 feet. So that's one of the huge advantages about that. Other than that, at $30 for this works. All right, guys, leave a like, subscribe, leave a comments, see how this did, see how I did in this video. So yeah, this pretty much sums up my video, and all the good stuff are yet in the future. Be posting more videos. So thank you guys. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. So Rob Crumbles #1 is going out. Peace.